Alright. Okay, he's gonna be eating.
Eating?
Yeah,
sort of like drinking.
Eating and...
Thick enough to chew.
Yeah, okay, whatever. He's gonna be eating / drinking this ghost pepper hot sauce with, which is the hottest pepper in the world. He's gonna be eating that much, which is... Eating, drinking... Yeah, right. Okay, so he's gonna do that right now.
Count three.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
What are you doing?
Trying to get it all out of my mouth.
It's not gonna leave your mouth, it's gonna stay. Drink some milk.
I feel like I'm eating up chicken wings all over again.
Trying to man it out. Screaming inside.
My eyes. Says, are you afraid of ghosts? You should be afraid of this frighteningly furious hot sauce made with the ghost pepper from India. Formerly known as the boot jalapia.
The pain
fiery pepper is officially the hottest in the world. It earns its name from all those who have followed the foolish light and tell about. Be careful, you could become
it just burned inside.
and a variation with one incendiary taste. I don't know what that says. The ghost hot sauce with boot jalapia peppers.
Yeah, okay.
Look, this is what it says in it. A boot jalapia pepper, carrots, papayas, lime juice, vinegar, onion, passion fruit juice, citric acid, garlic, salt.
It tastes good. Just burns.
What the heck?
It tastes good.
What the heck's in this thing? Onions and lime juice?
It's supposed to be like an actual hot sauce where it has flavor.
Citric acid.
If I get my cupcakes though.
Yeah.
Yep, you do. John, where does it say how much hotness?
No, I went online and read it. And it's 1,075,000 Scoville units. It's for the people that know who that is.
You want milk?
Man,
It's good?
it tastes good. That's why,
Smell it.
It tastes sweet. It smells sweet. Like it smells good.
Yeah.
That's how the wings smell, right?
Yeah.
They smelled like barbecue. They're black like.
Want to come up here?
It burns
What does it like feel like? It's like your throat or your
tongue is burning.
There's only one.
Drink the milk.
Just like rubbed it on like your lip.
I would smack you in the face and you would have got cupcakes.
We should rub it on her lips like while she's sleeping, then she like licks her lips when she wakes up.
Got cupcakes.
I didn't do it. What are you? Huh?
What? Okay.
It'd be so funny if we did that while she's sleeping. She licks her lips when she wakes up.
Not funny. Let me do it to you?
Sure. You should burn your lips.
That's when someone sleeps over, I'm doing that.
It's like when you take wet cheese and you wet it, like the cheese in the plastic. You know that cheese in the plastic? Where you peel the plastic off of it? That yellow kind. You put water on it, you could smack somebody with it. It sticks to them. You go like this, and you just throw it, or you could smack somebody with it. Yeah, the cheese. You have any? No.
The cheese?
You know, like, it's
paper.
perfect square cheese, and you pull the plastic off of it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you wet one side of it, and you hold it
Just
like
the
this.
cheese.
Just the cheese. And you could like go like this, and it'll stick to you like this.
Oh, we're having people are probably going to try this now. after they watch this video.
Ideas, guys. Put lips on your person's mouth, and when they sleep in, and then...
It's like Mad Ghetto right now. What is up with that? lip, like put the lip on the hot sauce, and like they wake up and like they lick the lip.
Put the lip on the hot.
So stupid.
Hot sauce on the lip.
Yeah.
When they sleep.
Whatever. Okay, well, I'm gonna end it now. We're gonna go try that cheese.
Bye.
We're gonna try the cheese thing now and smack someone with it. Bye.